lot of wind to the whole eastern part of the country. Obviously, we saw the wind last night into this morning. There was blizzard warnings in parts of the Panhandle, eastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, up in Nebraska as well. Those are done. Snow's still on the ground, but those are done. Winter storm warnings are now from the Chicago area, parts of Midwest. Tornado watches for the Carolinas and down into Florida, as well as the very powerful storm system continues to spin across kind of the heartland of the country. There, look at all the snow falling in Chicago, rain along the east coast there. Another storm system actually bringing blizzard conditions to the mountainous areas of the Pacific Northwest as well. That's the storm system that's going to kind of drop down and head our way, maybe bring us some rain chances by the Friday and pull another strong cold front into our area Friday as well. In the meantime, it was windy today, but those winds are slowly calming down, and they will continue to do so as we head into the evening and nighttime hours, but your temperatures will fall. We're in the 40s right now, but we'll be in the 30s before midnight, and by tomorrow morning it'll be down close to freezing across most of North Texas. In fact, I think a lot of you, especially outside of DFW, will see a light freeze to start the day tomorrow. 30 to 32 or so. If you're inside the heart of the Metroplex, maybe it's more like 34, 35 or so. And then tomorrow afternoon, as the wind shifts out of the south, and it'll be a breezy day tomorrow, but with the wind out of the south, and it'll help warm us up. Wind won't be as strong as what it was last night into this morning, but it will be just one of those days where you have a breezy wind from the south, and your highs will be 60 or above. Mostly in the low to mid 60s tomorrow afternoon. Nothing happens though weather-wise until Friday, at least in terms of rain and storms or anything like that. We're dry tomorrow. We're dry as we head through the day on Thursday as well. Most of Thursday, I should say, but late in the day on Thursday, there might be a little shower storm activity across our eastern areas. That activity kind of fills in overnight Thursday night and into Friday morning, but everything quickly moves off to the east as we head through the day on Friday, and that cold front will bring us yet again another round of cooler weather, or colder weather, I should say, during the day on Friday. It's not our Arctic front, though. That comes on Sunday. I'll show you that in a second. In the meantime, severe weather threat with that front. It's on the low side, just like it was with the rain activity and thunderstorm activity yesterday. It's a 1 on a scale of 5 for almost all, well, not all of North Texas, but the areas in North Texas under the risk. A 1 on a scale of 5. It's a 2 on a scale of 5 for East Texas over into the Arklatex. Some wind and some hail possible. Remember, best chances for rain would be kind of late Thursday night and into early Friday morning before everything quickly clears off to the east. Temperatures outside right now, it's 50 in DFW. It's 41 in Amarillo. 60s, though, down in Brownsville. Some cold air across the central part of the country. 22 in Bismarck, but my attention turns up to Canada, up into the Arctic Circle, where we have temperatures well below zero. And that's that Arctic air that continues to build up in Canada that will be headed our way. That front, the Arctic front, will be arriving on Sunday, and Arctic air will spill across the plains and across kind of the whole eastern half of the country, especially during the day Monday and Tuesday and even toward the middle part of next week. So calmer winds and cold tonight, though, 34 for the low, and then tomorrow a breezy day, a dry day, and a warmer day with a high of 63. Friday's high is 45, so there's that first front. We stay, cool to chilly on Saturday with a high of 51, but then there comes the Arctic front. Only 40 for a high on Sunday, 28 the high on Monday, 33 the high on Thursday. Luckily, the Arctic front and the Arctic cold pretty short-lived as we're back in the 40s by the middle part of the week, and we'll also be watching for maybe a little wintry weather Sunday into Monday as well.